Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can share your live location on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So in order to share your live location on Snapchat, you need to turn on your location setting for Snapchat. How you guys can do that is, you can click on the pin icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the map, which is basically the map section of Snapchat. And over here, in order to turn your location on, at the top right corner, you can see the setting icon. So this is basically the setting icon for your map. Click on it. Once you click on setting, it's asking you to allow access to your location for Snapchat. So we need to allow access, so click on allow. Once you do that, your setting will open up, and on your setting, it's going to automatically take you inside your Snapchat setting. Now once you're inside your Snapchat setting, the first option where it says location, click on it. Now once you're inside the location setting, click on where it says always. If it is on never, then it's basically saying like Snapchat will never be able to access your location, but in order to share your location, first Snapchat needs to access it, so click on always. And for the precise location, make sure you turn it on, alright? If you turn it off, it doesn't does any good to you. It just does bad. So just make sure it's on and then close your Snapchat and reopen it again. And the next time you click on the pin icon at the bottom left, your location will be revealed. Now, I'm not going to click on it because I don't want to show my current location due to security reason. But you should be able to see your location, and your friends should also be able to see your location on Snapchat. That's how you guys can share your location on Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.